Good morning everyone. We celebrate Guru Purnima in India. This day is dedicated to all the teachers known for their wisdom, knowledge, teaching and guidance which they provide us. They are the guide of our life and help us to be whatever we want. Different teachers teach us different subjects, but their main motive is to make us, to build us as perfect as they can with a large extent of all possibilities. This is for all my GES teachers. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Thank you.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु ही ब्रह्म है, गुरु ही विष्णु है, गुरु ही शिव है, यहाँ तक कि परमात्मा परब्रह्म ही गुरु है। ऐसे गुरु को मेरा नमस्कार।
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। शुभ गुरुपूर्णिमा सर्वे अध्यापक जनाः।
A guru is the one who, by his inner power, can dispel the darkness and remove the ignorance. These are the 5 lessons that I have learned from my guru. First, self-awareness, understanding one's strength. Mindfulness, being present in each moment. Third, discipline, the importance of efforts. Fourth, compassion, have empathy towards everyone. Fifth, wisdom, be kind.